Okay, we're back from our trip.
9 hours later.
9 hours later, not quite that long. So we got our wire, fuel hose. Gotta get a battery for the red bike because it wouldn't start. So I had to deal with that. Went to Harley. A lot of battery. That running. We got the varmints over here. Look what I found.
Lulu. Penelope and McCallum over there.
She had a good bite. Now you got a good bite. There you go. They're chewing on their chews. All right, we are gonna figure we got the wire.
That's a pretty fat wire. What's that for?
That's a big wire there. I don't know, somebody had a leaky gas tank hose, I think. I'm gonna upgrade.
Racing blue.
So this is the racing blue. Same stuff on my race bike. Aero clip, push lock, FC33204. It means it's -4 line. It's not very good hose though. See, it's only good for 300 psi and negative 140 degrees Celsius and 150 Celsius plus. So that means it's good for like 100 below and
So we're American. I don't know what Celsius means.
300 above. It's good for 300 degrees. And we got some same hose right here. It's been road tested. How long has this hose been road tested for right now?
3 years.
3 years on this hose. It's not cracked yet.
It's a good product.
I got some on my race bike that's been on for 15 years and it still ain't cracked yet either. And it runs nitro through it. There's some more of that hose over here. You got all kinds of blue hose on this bike. You didn't put black on it. Okay, where's our fancy wiring?
Fancy words.
So we had to go to the hot rod shop to get wiring because the electrical place didn't know what wiring was. They didn't have a clue what
We
real
kind of
wiring.
backed off on the wiring about 10 years ago.
We had to go to SoCal Speed Shop to get some wiring.
10 years ago.
What kind of wire did we buy?
STX or PTX? What is this
GXL.
stuff? See, I was close.
GXL. That's not the same stuff I have. This is the next lower quality. The wiring's real simple. The good stuff feels like it's silicone, not plastic. And then when you look at the wire, if it has a lot of insulation on it, that means it's bad. And see how this has thick insulation, not real thick, not a lot of copper in the middle? So this is good quality outer skin, but it's thick. The good stuff has twice the wire versus the outside jacket.
Right.
So this is your intermediate grade, but it's way better than the auto parts stuff you normally buy. So we got a selection of colors and what we needed. Now you wanted pink because you're that way. Here you go.
Thank you.
And what was the other one? We needed blue. Now we got one blue or two blue? We got two different blues, didn't we?
No, 2 different reds.
Two different reds.
We
Okay.
got a small red. Oh, you're just gonna fuck this all up.
Already
right?
did.
Oh my god, you're gonna make a rat's nest.
It's already a rat nest. I purposely did that. So pull out a blue and a pink. I did a good job there, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Right away.
Did my best. I want the blue one. Give me a blue one.
Oh,
I got the end of it. I got the end of it. Let me just yank on it really hard. We'll test out the tensile strength of the wiring.
Oh shit, shit.
It ain't gonna come out like that. There's 10 feet there of each color, so.
So thanks for that.
Well, actually, we got cheated. There's only 9 feet of one of them. Do you charge it for 10 feet on all?
Oh no. I got beat for 60 cents there.
It was 79 cents a foot.
You said 69.
That was 79. Hold on. I'm not getting any more this way. It's like pulling taffy, huh?
The Laffy Taffy?
I want that side. Now we're getting it.
Yeah. Yeah. How many miles?
Needs more wire. There's more wire. We're using the motorcycle as a
All
wire
right, buddy.
dispensing. Okay, we need some blue and some pink.
We're gonna redneck it up here.
And we need some shrinkum tubing. We need shrink tubing.
Yeah.
So let's figure out what we want to do with shrink tubing.
I gotta hide that stuff from myself, I think.
Now usually do the hardest thing first. So the hardest thing is coming from here or coming from over here. So what do you think is going to be the hardest? Coming from this rat nest here or going to a simple plug over there? What do you got over there?
I had my t-shirts
Inside your plastic pipe?
in there.
Hidden? Yes.
They gave me a hard time, so I moved it.
So actually,
Where did I move
we
it
always
to?
start with the hardest part
Where
first.
does
So
Luke
in
like
that
to
case,
hide
it's going to be,
his
I would do it from
this
this
way?
side. We'll see what he says.
Find out.
All that gnawing over here. You got a lot of gnawing noises. How come you don't have a chew stick? You got 3 dogs and 2 chew sticks.
What did I do with my teeth? Got pissed off with this stuff the other week. What did I do with it? Get a little bit of aluminum here.
Eat it. See what I did? See what I did?
Don't be rude. Dude, you can bite him if you want to. I don't care. I guess you could bite him again.
Oh,
Get you. I don't think this is long enough, but I do have a little of this tubing room here.
where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? What'd you do with it? Where's it at? Get it! Yep, he found it. There it is. There he goes. Yeah, you found it all right. Yeah, you found it all right. Yeah, look at that. You found it. There's a chew stick right here. There's your chew stick right here. Look what I found. Look what I found. You want the chew stick or you want the piece of plastic to chew on? He wants the plastic to play with. All right, what are we doing? How are we coming?
I'm trying to think what I did with my shirt.
What did you do with the shrinkum tubing?
I got pissed off about it like a week or two ago.
You put up there in that fuel line box up there?
No.
It's not up there in those nice round boxes full of fuel line, oil line?
No.
That'd be too nice.
What did I do with it?
You put inside that tour pack right there.
I got 4-foot sticks, so I can't hide it that far.
4-foot sticks. Up there in the lights. I don't know. I think we hit it.
Ah, there it is. You spy it?
Probably over there someplace.
Yeah. It's on top of
It's along the wall there. I see it on the wall.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, boy.
I'm thinking that's it right hanging. Well, that's a clutch cable.
That's a belt that's missing a few teeth there.
Oh, is that what that is? That's a loopless belt?
Just a few.
Oh, soft tail?
Soft telling. Alright. Here's our shrink.
Oh,
Multiple sizes.
a chew stick. 2 dogs, 1 stick. What do? They start on the side and work their way in?
They're shares. They're good shares. So we got some of
Okay,
this.
quarter inch.
That's probably that. We got only 1 stick.
This is big. This is big. Where's your smaller one?
Well, I mean, we got 1/8. We got.
This is the smallest
it.
thing I got?
Yeah.
This is it?
No, I mean, I got smaller, but we got this. 1/8.
Yeah, but you can't.
Got 16th.
Can we
Got
get-
1/8.
Can we put 2 wires inside of an 8? Maybe. Gets advantage of small wire. How about this one? This one's already open.
Already open. That's supposed to be.
I mean, there's no label on it.
Oh!
No label on it. Now, one advantage using good wire, it's smaller diameter because it has less insulation on it. So you can put more in one conduit, or you can put
Alright,
smaller in one conduit.
Alright, alright, alright.
I'm gonna take the red and the blue right here.
We're not allowed to listen to music with YouTube, are we?
No, we are not.
That's ridiculous.
I think that's great.
That is absolutely ridiculous.
It's a great policy to
I
have.
don't appreciate that policy.
See, this wire is not of the adequate quality to use this. See, it doesn't fit very well. It goes in about that far.
Well, we size up from there.
I don't think you can get 3 feet in there. I can barely get a 3/8 of an inch.
All right, let's try the next size up.
Now when you probably
Go like
put
this.
5 wires in that one.
That's
I
what it's
don't know
called,
why.
shrink tube,
I don't know why you can buy more of this
not
stuff.
expand tube. We were there today, we could have.
I told you to buy some. There we go. Looks like it goes right in there. Look at that. Okay. Here you go, sir. Now, you want to start on the easy side or the hard side?
I think I'm gonna, so what we'll do right here.
I usually like starting on the hard side, but sounds really good.
Excuse me.
You gonna run that right through where the battery is?
Sure enough. Right through there. And then up through here. Right up over here. Right here where we want to be.
Figure out what length you want. We're gonna cut it.
Do we need this to come down?
We need to get all the way down to where the coil is.
So maybe something like that. Something like that. This wire situation is oh.
Is that an old one? Has an extra one just laying there on the bike, not being used?
That's strange. Sheared off.
Sheared them off.
I wonder what this was doing.
Weighing the bike down.
I don't see any ends that were the other ends of either one of these.
Well, you know, you kept it there just in case you needed it.
Extra wiring for the road. You know, you never know. Just hide it underneath your.
Road repair.
Let's put this over there for now. All right. So we got step one done.
Do it how you want.
Doesn't it make sense to put the wire in it and then?
Not yet. You gotta cut it off first. So that'll get you where you want it.
All right. That's a little extra over here. So we're probably good there. You know, bam through there. Bam, chicken bam, like that, right here. Yep. Looks like we need about all of it.
It looks like we bought 2 inches extra in there. 3 inches.
See, we just leave it all together and then we'll trim as we need be.
No, I got the wire in. Once you put wire in, it's hard to cut the harness. We can leave this extra long if you want.
Well, we'll just leave the extra out this side.
We got a lot extra on this side too. So you cut off 3 inches or you leave it. It's up to you.
I think we'll leave it for now.
Okay, so we use a full stick.
We'll stick them.
Full stick them. So now you can pull off some wire.
A lot. We need what? We need blue.
We need blue and pink.
Blue and pink.
So you take your blue and your pink. See the wire holders at the back of the bike there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
There's a staple on that far side of that. It's going to come out to this side.
It is? You sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Pretty sure?
For sure.
If you cut off an inch, you wouldn't have a problem. I gotta distribute, it doesn't go all the way through. So.
Oh, there's a problem. There's a staple or something over on that
Oh, there's a
side.
staple right there.
Who'd have thought that?
You gotta take that off.
I'll gnaw it off. My teeth. Just like that.
Just like that.
Is this the good stuff?
Still isn't going through. And that goes through. No, it goes all the way through. We don't need quite that much extra. We're not sure how much extra. How much extra you need? How much
I like
extra
that.
you
That's
want?
beautiful. It really is. It's beautiful.
You want to go through this
I
whole
think that's beautiful.
come out the other side over there someplace?
So beautiful. So beautiful. This bike's gonna get completely rewired one of these days.
I heard that last time.
I've already got all the stuff for it.
I know, we said goodbye.
No, like for the next rewire. I got a an M unit for this, M unit blue.
So you can make all the wiring blue? Great.
So,
That's great for troubleshooting, make all the same color and size. Perfect.
perfect. Taser's just jealous.
We got extra wire now. Look how much extra wire we got. We got this much extra. Got more over there? We got more. How much more do you want?
Yeah, it's probably,
Got plenty.
oh, it's right there, it's probably about right.
Okay, I threw a couple loose zip ties up there to kind of hold it up where you want it.
Somewhat.
It's noisy down there.
Monsters.
Monsters.
They did no monster, man.
Okay, we'll be back. We're looking for more parts.
Pots.